What are you rolling out so nicely? What are you doing with it, honey? How do you get it off of the rolling pin?
I dig it off.
You dig it off? Wow.
I rip it off.
Yeah.
This is how I do it.
We have to remember to wash that now because that's your one from rolling cookies and you've been rolling slime. Huh? You're going to be a little baker. Annabelle! Annabelle! Are you having fun? Look at me. Look at me. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay.
I just have to roll the donut. Huh?
Is that a bubble? How'd you get a big bubble in there? What are you going to do with it? Oh, did you roll it out?
Yep.
Okay.
Bubbles. We're done. Roll, roll, roll.
Okay, can you show me what you were doing? Put your hand in there again. And you did that all by yourself? Can you see it, Mommy? She's making a handprint for you.
No, it's a pancake made of slime.
It's a slimy pancake?
Yeah.
It almost looks like one of your thankful chickens, huh? That's how they start out, with a handprint, huh?
Uh-huh.
What are you thankful for this morning? Annabelle, what are you thankful for right now?
This is not thankful turkey.
I know, but I'm curious what you are thankful for. Could you tell me? One thing.
I'm thankful for Mommy.
You're thankful for Mommy?
Yes.
Me too. Can you look at me and tell Mommy you're thankful for her?
Yes. I'm thankful for you. And drop the slime down the tree and won't tip in.
Wait, you're gonna drop what down the chimney?
The slime.
Why?
Because then no kid will have slime.
But why would you give kids slime?
Because all some of the kids don't have toys in them. And if they give them slime, they will have a toy to play with that slime.
Is that the best toy ever?
Yes, because you can play with it all if you don't get messy.
But who's gonna make all the slime?
Me.
But that's a lot of hard work.
I can do it, and then I'm gonna say to all the little kids in the world. I'm gonna make the slime, and then I'm gonna say it to every kid in the world.
Oh, really now? Every kid?
Yeah, every kid.
What about if they've been naughty?
Don't worry, they'll get slime.
Naughty kids deserve toys too?
Yeah,
Why?
because that doesn't mean it can't be nice. They get some slime, and even the good one gets slime too.
Aww.
All the kids like slime.
That's so sweet of you, honey.
Even I do.